Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lot for you. I got from Paul Springett. It's one of these. I'm going to see if you can see the characters on this. Um, he said it was a Chinese dimple lock. Uh, Sorry about the shine. There's the keys to it. Um, and what it is, I thought was interesting and a lot of fun. I kind of like it. Let me find that. There we go. As you can see in here, let's see if I can get it up here where you can see. You got pins on the top and pins on the bottom that you need to pick. So let's see what I can do with it. I have picked this and I had to learn how to pick it because it's a little different than what I was used to, and there's a lot of slop room in there, as you can see. So I'm going to use this flag, and I'm going to go from the bottom onto the top, and I got to click on one. I'm going to try that. Got one on the bottom. I'm going to check back here. I got to click in, I think it's 4 in the back. And I'm just going to keep, hang on just a minute. Maybe get more light over that way. Keep checking these pins. Okay. All right. Oh, I got a little movement there. Oh, don't know what that was about. Okay. May have to lighten up on the tension a little bit. Another click in the back on the bottom. I'm going to do bottom top. I don't know. It feels like I overset something. Check the bottom here. Okay, I'm going to let off the tension a little bit and try it again. That's in the back. Nothing on top. Wow. Being fussy today. Can't believe it. I got movement there now. As you know, I'm not much on dimple picking yet, so there it is. There it went. I was just missing one in the back. I know it took quite a while, didn't it? Well, as you can see, it's open. Now this is going to scare me trying to gut this thing. I'm going to have to think about that. Well, that one shot right over there. Okay. So what I think I'm going to try to do is, now you got to remember I got pins on top and bottom. So I'm going to turn it about there. That would put those pins this way and that way on that side. So I want to see if I can get a shim in here. Rot row. Eek. I don't think I can. I think that's too tight. Okay. Well, then what I'm going to have to do, shoot, I really hate, it could fall right in there, right? And it just doesn't feel like there's any room. This is probably going to go exploding all over the place, guys. So get ready for the nightmare. What? Is that too big? Let's go. Oh, the bottom pins are falling out, that's for sure. It just fell out in my hand because I was counting on having the bottom pin. Ooh. And these are top set. So I can match them up pretty much, I guess. I don't know. I have to see when I get the key in it. But yeah, it's two-sided. Oh. Eek. Here's going to be the fun part. That's what I was going to use this part for, was do one side and then spin it around and get the other side. And ooh, I don't know. Maybe I can do that when I put it back together. Yeah, I think we're just gonna probably end up spilling the whole top guts. And see what we got. Ooh, yeah, we got tiny little Chinesium spools here. And itty bitty springs. But yeah. Oh, we got a ball bearing. That's right, because that's your set ball bearing. Your set ball bearing to go right there in that one side. So that's what that ball bearing's about. Well, anyway, here's the pins. We'll get them. And then these are, if you can see that, they've got those little kind of cruddy little mushrooms on them. Kind of like, you know, some of those cheap padlocks, cores. And those are the springs, guys. So, yeah, that's what's inside. There's your 4 that way and your 5 that way. The one for the ball bearing. This is going to be fun to put back together. So, oh, maybe I'll have the parts left to put it back together. Okay, so that's what was in that little old Chinesium, guys. Stay safe, stay legal, and have fun, guys. Bye.